Hi, so here's a simple video showing how to use HackConnect as your Huawei wallet. Now, HackConnect is a simple Chrome extension that works with your Chrome desktop browser and functions as your Huawei wallet to store all your Huawei-based assets. And with HackConnect, you can also store PSTs, and then you can store your Huawei coins. Alright, so of course you can just get started by clicking on download for Chrome, and it takes you to the Chrome extension store where you will be able to add this to Chrome. Now, I've already added this to Chrome, so if not, you see somewhere here a button that allows you to add this to Chrome. Now, so you could go ahead and add it and then do every other thing that you need to do. Now, once you add it, you get pointed, it gets added to your browser. This is the icon over here at the top right hand corner, and then once you click on that, it shows you welcome to HackConnect. Now, HackConnect allows you to use an existing wallet or to create a new wallet. Now, if you're logging into HackConnect for the first time, it will ask you for a password that you use to encrypt all your wallets going forward. So to do that, just go somewhere and then create a password. And then choose create. Now, once you do that, you can create a new wallet, or you can load an existing wallet. An existing wallet will be a wallet that you've created before, and you have the JWK file. If this is the first time you're using this, so you just choose new wallet. Now, once you choose new wallet, it will generate a wallet for you and give you a seed phrase that you can save somewhere. And then, of course, you can also download your key file so that you can save the key file, so you can always use this with other Huawei wallets that supports key files. But for now, since I have the seed phrase, I'll just go ahead and choose OK. Now, once I do that and I come back here, I will see my Huawei wallet here. This is my Huawei wallet, and I can do whatever I want to do with this. When I have profit sharing tokens like Permabots or Veto tokens, they will show here under tokens. Here I can see my transactions. And here is my wallet address, which I can copy and then send to someone so they can send me any Huawei based assets, either Huawei or a PST token. So that's it. That's how to create an Huawei wallet using the HackConnect wallet.